As life becomes more and more expensive, it can be so disheartening to feel like you can't have beautiful things in your life simply because you just can't be spending the money. But in case this is helpful for anyone, I wanted to show you everything in my home that has brought us so much beauty into our space that I did not buy brand new. Basically an expose of everything I bought secondhand. We over here are bougie on a budget, baby, so let's go. Most everything in our living room is secondhand. This couch I got off of Facebook Marketplace. This mirror I got off of Facebook Marketplace as well. This lamp is such a vibe and I got it from a Goodwill in Arizona. Coffee table I also got from a Goodwill here in Orange County. This piece I got from the same Goodwill from Orange County. It was originally from Target. Artwork I got from a charity shop back when I lived in England, which is the same as a thrift store. I'm obsessed with these swivel chairs and I got these on Craigslist for such a good deal and you guys always ask about them. And then this lamp and lampshade was also from the Goodwill, and this massive ceramic pot was also from the Goodwill. She's too cute not to show you. This marble table was also from a thrift store. This piece was such an incredible find. My mom found it on Facebook Marketplace. And it has a light and I hold all of my glassware in it. Also to note, most of my glassware I also secondhanded from Facebook Marketplace or thrift stores. Our big wood dining table was actually my husband's grandmother's table that she gave to us because she was downsizing. Both of these chairs are from a thrift store that we stripped and restained to be a lighter oak color. Then I have two of these chairs. The other one's on the other end of the table that you can't see. We also got these from the Goodwill. They were $10 each. We stripped them, restained them, and reupholstered using an IKEA rug. This chair is like a work of art. She's so beautiful and cost $10. Like I had said, most all of our glassware has been thrifted to us as gifts, but I wanted to show you these like vintage china that I thrifted back in England. In our hallway, and I turned the light on so you could see, but everything in this was secondhanded. Facebook Marketplace, charity shop, Goodwill, glassware from my mom. So cute! This is our DIY bukla chair. Is that how you say it? We originally bought it off of Facebook Marketplace. We reupholstered it ourselves using blankets. The chair originally was free, and then this was also from the Goodwill. Goodwill treasures is this dresser right here, and this lamp and lampshade were also from the Goodwill. Two of these nightstands, which we actually just got off of Facebook Marketplace. Lampshade is also from a thrift store. Many of our throw blankets are also from a thrift store, including this one. This massive mirror literally was from Facebook Marketplace in England. I got it for 50 pounds. And I have another one, so I have to show you. Sneak peek of the other side table in our bedroom that I literally love. This piece of greenery was thrifted as well. And also this massive like ceramic vase that's holding the balloons, I also got from a thrift store. It's getting dark. This is the last piece I'm going to show you. This is our second 50-pound mirror from England that we got on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, those are my favorite things in our home that are thrifted and second-handed. I'm telling you, you can have all the beautiful things in your life without totally breaking the bank. Also, most all of my clothes are thrifted. It's just a hobby of mine. I love it. So, hope you guys enjoyed.